Hey, this old man doing stuff down here in late October 2021, USA. Here's Tinker the Wonder Dog, wondering what her daddy's doing. What's up, Tink? Tink, Tink. Today, we're cranking up the mighty 2006 Honda Silverwing to go make a cricket run. Got to feed those little exotic pets. It's a real nice bike. It's a 600cc. Full instrumentation, really nice windshield. Love this bike. As you can see, she's getting ready. She's excited. Stand by. We're going to crank her up. There it goes. RPMs are up. Lights are off. Looking good.